said, slow down, your time's done.
Beautiful babes, what is up? I'm in the kitchen, so excuse the noise. You know our kitchen is always noisy, and I have a toddler running around as well, my granddaughter. You know what? I wanted to film like my evening routine, like it was so cozy, but girl, most of the time it's not. It's very chaotic. I do some things on a regular, but for the most part right now, no, I don't have any special time other than what I make of little moments like drinking my tea, taking a breather, sitting down, sitting down. And when I take my shower, that's the real, okay? That's the real. I was just about to fix my tea. I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? It's 9:16, and I have a not so normal, hyper energetic little girl running around here. It's not so normal, meaning this, y'all, that she refuses to go to sleep when the other little toddlers go to sleep. Probably 7:30, 8 o'clock. No, this chick will be up till I lay my head down. And a lot of times I'd be wanting to kind of have this quiet time, but she'd be still hanging with me, and it's like, what? But I am about to fix my tea. Yes, gonna fix my tea. One of my favorite coffee mugs or tea mugs or whatever you want to call it from Tea Bloom. These little insulated cups, I love them so much. And I'm down to my last two because I have broken a couple of them. I did, which is normal when you're dealing with glass. What can I say? And y'all know this is not candy. This is from Tea Bloom. These are my blooming teas, which I love so much. I was just trying to figure out what I was going to drink tonight to wind down. Peach sounds good. This is the peach one. And if you don't know about the blooming teas, these are the ones where you drop them in your cup, your coffee mug, teapot, or what have you, and they bloom beautifully into whatever little flower they are. So, mango. Here's mango. Think about mango. This is a green tea. This is probably what I need. Peach. I have so many, y'all. I love these too. Ooh, what about strawberry? You think strawberry? No, I don't know. It's so many, I just don't even know sometimes. Pomegranate, I need that one. Peach. Rose. Apple. Lychee. How about lychee tonight? I love lychee. Let's do lychee. This is lychee right here, y'all. So basically, all I do is just take my coffee mug and I tear my tea open. I drop in the bloom. This is it here. This is it here. Drop it in. Boop. And I had already boiled me some water. So I'm just gonna fill it up to about right there. And my little bloom is going to start to bloom. So this is lychee. This is a tea bloom. Of course, again, blooming tea. And all you have to do is add the hot water to it, and it just balloons out. And this is a green tea here, and it's in the flavor of lychee. So y'all will see it bloom. In just a second, you're gonna see all the bloom. Okay. And I'll just put the rest of my teas up in my cabinet. And in case you see the pumpkin head there, we do plan on cutting that up. Probably, I mean, Halloween is yet for a few days. But, you know, we really want to carve it out before Halloween because, child, I don't have to wait on nobody's holiday to do what I want to do for my grandbaby, okay? We just do it. We just do it. And there's the tea blooming. You'll see the little bloom come out right before your eyes and my eyes. So my unwinding is going to be actually taking my shower. Royal has already taken hers, well, her bath, about an hour or so ago. So she's good to go as far as that's concerned. Now you see the little bloom. That's the bloom, y'all. So that is what it looks like. And y'all, we good to go as far as that's concerned. I'll just let it steep for a little while longer. So y'all caught that bloom. And one of my favorite essential oils to wind down, I just put this in my diffuser. It is the Sweet Dreams from Simply Earth. Has all the ones in there, all the essential oils that's going to help you relax, like cedarwood, Himalayan, marjoram, frankincense, lavender, and German chamomile. That's what we're gonna put in the diffuser, and I'm gonna sip on my tea, and baby, we unwind as best we can. I'm going to get this diffuser started up and get Royal situated for nighttime, and then I go take my shower. Yes, ooh, shower. And when I do get a chance to soak in the tub, like I love to do my Epsom salt bath, I Epsom salt, and I'll put in a few drops of lavender in there. That's really relaxing. And it just helps to soothe my achy, tired body from running after a toddler all day long. And it feels so good. I always say, you know, self-care doesn't have to be complicated. You know, I keep it simple for the most part. Tonight, it's just going to be a nice, you know, not quite hot shower. Y'all know them hot showers. It's not good for the skin, baby. It'll dry your skin out. And we're not about that life, especially coming up to this time of the year, because you're already struggling trying to keep moisture in. Oh no, we ain't gonna do it that way, but gonna keep it in moderation. And then, you know, I'll do my skincare after I get out of the shower. My moisturizer, y'all know my new stuff, my new stuff I've been using. I gotta tell y'all all about it in detail because it's working. It's good. It's good. My LilyAna Naturals. That's doing good. LilyAna Naturals. I'll put it down below the 3 products that I'm currently using, like the moisturizer, the vitamin C serum, and I about 3 times a week do the exfoliating scrub, which is not abrasive, so it's very mild, very fine little beads in it, so it's very mild. But my big thing here lately has been, you know, I'm on YouTube all the time, watching YouTube, uploading to YouTube, but they have these movies out there that I like to unwind to and catch up on a little bit of my reading. You know, usually, most times, the only time I really read is to learn something new, prove somebody wrong, or catch up on skill sets that I need for my current job. So yeah, there she is right there. What's the matter, baby? You okay? Okay. Sleepy. That's what it is. So I'm gonna get it together because she may be ready to lay it down. So I'll go ahead and put her in her bed. I'm gonna go and take my shower so I can really relax. Oh, I did change my sheets today, so I know they're feeling real good. And hubby's he's already done slid in the bed. Lucky him, okay? But I'm going to wind it down now and get the diffuser started up. And baby, we're gonna chat tomorrow. Yeah, can you believe it's day 28 of October? Can you believe I'm on your screen again? Y'all better give it up to your girl. And I will see y'all day 29. You best believe I'm gonna be up in here. Got something special for you too. Special. Real special.
They said, slow down, your time's done. But I'm just getting started, hun. Got a fire burning under my skin. You can call it my second wind, my second wind, my second chance. I'm stepping out, I'm gonna dance. The years try to quiet my song, but baby, I'm still singing strong. But gray hair don't mean I'm through. It's just wisdom peeking through. Every season's got its glow, and I'm brighter than you'll ever know. Don't count me out, I'm counting. Feeling lighter than I've ever been. This heart still beats in rhythm and rhyme. Ain't nothing lost, just right on time. I got my second wind, feeling young again. This ain't the end, this is where I begin.